We're going to be taking a look at multiplying and dividing with positive and negative numbers. So at the top of my paper here I have this little triangle drawn. It has a plus sign and then two negative signs. This can be helpful with multiplying and dividing to know what sign your answer should be, so I'll kind of show you how to use it. So when you're multiplying, so this is no sign in between. If there's no sign in between a number and a parenthesis, that means multiplication. So this is like 5 times negative 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. And then I can use my triangle to help me decide if it should be positive or negative or not. So my 5 is positive, so that means I'm going to hold my finger over the positive. And then my 3 is negative, so I can put my finger on a negative. And then what's left over is going to be the sign of your solution. So the sign that's not covered is a negative, so that means my answer is going to be negative. Okay, next one, 6 times 2 is 12. And then I have a negative 6, I can cover up a negative, and a negative 2, so I can cover up a negative, so my answer is going to be positive. So anytime you are multiplying or dividing two negative numbers, your answer is going to be positive. So like negative times negative will always be positive, negative divided by negative will always be positive. Okay, next one, I have negative 10 divided by negative 5, so 10 divided by 5 is 2. And then I have a negative and a negative, so if I cover up my two negatives, my answer is going to be positive. So I can leave that alone. Then last one, 18 divided by negative 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. My 18 is positive and my 6 is negative. So if I cover those up, my answer should be negative. If you don't want to use the triangle, that's totally fine. It's just kind of there as a resource in case you forget about your signs. Basically, a positive and a negative are going to get a negative answer. Two negatives are going to get a positive answer. Okay, so use the triangle. That's helpful. Otherwise, you can go ahead and get started on your practice.